What role do decomposers play in an ecosystem? Are they the ones that produce food? Do they consume primary producers? Do they break down dead organisms? Or do they compete with primary consumers for food? And this is letter C. They break down dead organisms and recycle nutrients. Sino yung binibreakdown nila? Lahat pong nasa food chain. Sila po yung mga nagde-decompose ng mga dead remains. Naku-confuse tayo sa word if we differentiate detritivore, decomposer, at saka scavenger. 'Di ba? Yan yung three common terminologies na lumabas po in the past na medyo nalilito tayo because of other sources. So let's try to differentiate those three muna. Yung detritivore guys, sila po yung kumakain ng remains of dead plants and animals. Pag may patay, food yan para sa kanila. Okay? And after which, si decomposer, sila lang yung nagbe-breakdown. So, sino si scavenger? Basically, these are the carnivores na kumakain din po ng dead animals. Okay? Carnivores meaning to say, parang nasa secondary consumers. Nasa secondary consumers sila. So, mas malalaki. Sila yung mga nasa apex. Okay? Going above. The detritivores yung mga maliliit lang.